Relocating in New York City is difficult, even under the simplest of circumstances. That's why Manhattan Mini Storage does everything we can to make your move easy, no matter what you need. From packing and moving services with professional local partners to offering ways to make self-storage easier, Manhattan Mini Storage offers a range of moving options. Need people to pick up your belongings and bring everything to storage? Take advantage of the professional moving concierge, courtesy of Manhattan Mini Storage, to connect you with some of the best local professional movers to offer an unparalleled moving experience. You'll have a dedicated agent who works on your move itinerary, including identifying a mover, scheduling, and assistance with packing supplies. In fact, you may even qualify for a free move, depending on how much you store and how long you store. If you're into more of a DIY approach, take advantage of all that Manhattan Mini Storage has to offer with a fleet of free storage shuttles. With online scheduling and curbside pickup, the shuttle will take you and your belongings to or from your storage location. When you arrive at a Manhattan Mini Storage facility, there are hand sanitizing stations along with free rolling carts to help move your stuff. Got your own ride? Leave your car in on-site free parking while you load or unload your items right at the loading docks. And free rolling racks and shelves, available upon request, help to make sure you're getting the most out of the inside of your storage space. Need to set up storage from outside of the city or don't want to leave your apartment? For a hands-off approach, select the exclusive Manhattan Mini Storage Full Service Plus option. It's door-to-door pickup of your belongings with on-demand return delivery, whether you need one box or everything back at once. And with online scheduling, your storage experience is even easier. Plus, your items are kept right here in Manhattan. So if you need something and don't have time to wait for a delivery, you can swing by your storage location and pick it up. No other storage company makes it that easy. With more than 40 years of storage experience, it's storage your way with Manhattan Mini Storage.